Hello guys, how you are doing? Welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I'll be showing you how I'm going to do African beauty plantain fufu. You can say it, African beauty plantain fufu. This is already the boiled water. You can say it, guys. Check out how I'm going to do the recipe, how it's going to look. I don't know how it's going to look, but today is my first time of doing it. Let's check it out and see how it's going to look like. Keep watching and see how it's going to look like. I've already opened it right now. You can see it. You can see the water is already boiled. I have to be turning it inside. Let's check how it's going to be. It's plantain fufu. Let's check it out. I have to be turning it. I have to add a little bit water. I have to add a little bit again. Guys, can you see it? It's almost ready. Yeah, I have to add a little bit water. Yeah. Guys, it's ready. You can see it. It's ready, guys. Yes, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share the video and leave your comment how you see it. Thank you. Bye.